Hello, my name is Hesbon. Welcome to this video on the 10 golden rules of Forex trading. The truth about Forex is that it can be an intense and stressful undertaking that requires strong control over your emotions. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Learning to trade Forex takes patience. It will take you time before you master the basics. If you lack discipline or make decisions that are not carefully thought through, you will quickly find yourself in a negative investment position. Rule number 1. Follow your learning curve. There are no shortcuts here. The market is always changing, and it may be hard to understand and keep up with these changes unless you invest in good Forex trading education. Rule number 2. Avoid hunting for tops and bottoms in trading. Learn to trade with the trend. There are many beginners who make trades in any direction. While there is a possibility for making profits both on the upside and downside, trading in the direction of the trend will give you the best trades and chances for success. Rule number 3. Try trading on a demo account before going live in a real money account. Make a demo account and use it to learn and understand Forex trading. While using a demo account, you will be able to test your trading strategies and mentally prepare yourself for a real trade. However, keep in mind that you should be realistic and treat your demo funds as real money, otherwise, there is no way you can learn from demo trades. Rule number 4. Stop looking for a magic formula. While there are a lot of companies that are earning money by selling software that aims to predict future trends, the reality is that if this software really worked, these companies would not be giving the secret away. Rule number 5. Put your emotions aside while you trade. Trading is stressful work, and there will be a lot of setbacks on your way to the peak. Emotional trading may force you to open a trade too early and eventually lead to a loss due to a wrong entry. Control your emotions by staying cool and calm, and focus on your long-term goals. Rule number 6. Do not trade if you have doubts. Just because the Forex market is online 24 hours a day does not mean that you have to trade all that time. If you are doubtful, do not trade at all, but instead analyze the market and use the knowledge you get in the future to make more profitable trades. Rule number 7. Prepare a trading plan before you enter any trade. Because trading is always full of emotions, you must have a trading strategy, which includes a set of rules which you stick to, thus protecting you from yourself. Rule number 8. Keep it simple. Avoid trading strategies that are too complex to understand and which use a lot of different techniques. They can distort your judgment and you will miss a lot of good trading opportunities. Rule number 9. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Due to leverage, Forex trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. As a novice, don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your margin account on any given trade. Over the long run, this will give you a chance to make a profit while reducing the probability of taking a loss. Rule number 10. Review all trades regularly. Develop a habit of reviewing and analyzing your good and bad trades. Then, you will have a much better sense of what works best in your future trades. Regardless of whether you are an experienced trader or a beginner, never forget the 10 golden rules. Remember and respect the rules of Forex, and your opportunities could be greater than you can imagine. Like and subscribe to my channel to learn more about Forex trading. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Forex trading journey.